Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to another Shave and Chat here on the Razor Company YouTube channel. I'm the Shaving Cyclist on YouTube and Instagram. Let's get started. So today what we're going to shave with for this Shave and Chat is Midnight Moods by Nightwatch Soap Company. Excellent debut of a soap from Thomas the Shaver on YouTube and Instagram. It smells absolutely fantastic. We'll get into that here in a little bit. I took the liberty ahead of time of lathering up some of that soap here in the 3D printed bowl from the Razor Company, and I'm using AKA Brushworx Sparty handled brush. I've named it Sparty because it's green and white, and I'm an alum of Michigan State University, which has been through a fairly troubling time here in the past week. So you can see that the vegan formula for Midnight Moods, it's like an ice cream cone. So just wet the face here with my bougie sprayer. There we go. Got about a day's worth of growth here. Hope everyone's doing well. Whoops. And I've got it very well hydrated. Now this is a vegan formula. And I had the good fortune of being one of the testers for the bases on this offering by Thomas. And the first time I tried the vegan formula versus what he was developing with, boy, it's just flying all over the place today. What he was developing from the tallow, it was hands down. He needed to bring the the vegan first, so it's just absolutely fantastic, and it's got great scent too. So for a 4-ounce tub, it's about $18, $17.99 at the Razor Company. It's sold exclusively there, so I encourage you to pick up some. No splashes yet, but from what I understand as of this taping here on February 25th, that Thomas will have splashes coming out in the very near future. So keep an eye out for that on the Razor Company website. Okay, and I think we got it here. So as per my normal, just rinse off here a little bit. We're gonna go with the straight razor today. And the straight razor I've chosen, it actually is from Thomas the Shaver. So it's called the Samurai. I'll show you here in a minute. It's got a slight smile to it. It's a nice blade. There we go right there. Yeah. And I homed it up myself. Let's go. Man, it's a nice blade. Forgot, I've got one little cut right there. I was, as I was shaving the other day, I just did something kind of stupid, lost my place as I was shaving, and next thing you know, I've got a nice little cut. So we'll need to be mindful of that. And these things happen. You just pull out the styptic pencil. And stop the bleeding. No big deal. So I have a series of videos. There are 4 videos on straight razor shaving, and it's kind of like a how-to series. Yeah, it's a how-to series. So if you're curious about straight razor shaving or interested in someone else's technique, I encourage you to visit there. So around the chin is always kind of a trouble area for most guys. So I always like to take my time. Okay. Got a little weeper there, no big deal. So the scent notes on this are pineapple, citrus, geranium, limewood, sage, cedar, musk, and vetiver. So it's a very pleasing scent. It's almost Creed Aventus like, but it's not quite there like some of the other dupes that everyone seems to have. So with there being, I mean, it's so close, honestly. It's not a bad thing, right? I mean, everyone has a Creed dupe, but I would say that this is definitely not one of those, although it's got similar notes to Creed Aventus. So what I've done in the past, I'm not going to do it today. I've used Sharp Dressed Man by Stirling Soap Company. Their Splash, aftershave splash, pardon me. And it turned out very, very well. It's a nice compliment to the soap that we're using today. All right. So normally I would go, so you may have noticed on my chin I went across the grain. I did that purposely just because we're going to do a 2-pass shave today. There's just nothing like holding a straight razor in your hand. If you have any curiosity at all, I really encourage you to pick one up and just start. Don't be in a rush. Just start. Yeah, that's very nice. So we're going to do a neck cleanup today. That's going to be a little bit different. We're not going to use a straight razor. In fact, I can't remember the last time I even used a dual edge or even a single edge on my face. I think maybe it was October. I'm not really sure. Yeah, that's the stuff. Yeah, that's terrific. That's a terrific two-passer right there. Okay. Get the neck. Get some more soap out of the bowl here. Man, I really got this good and hydrated today. It takes a lot of water, this soap. So if you end up picking up a tub, which I highly encourage you to do so, don't be afraid to add the water. It's going to be really interesting for you. So we're going to go with the leaf twig. So this is the less aggressive of the handheld series. You know, there's a thorn too, which is more aggressive. This one's got a second use feather blade in it. Really does a nice job. I suppose I could have used the straight, but we're already pushing close to 14 minutes. And with the videos for the razor company, I really like to keep them under 15 or 16. Okay, let's rinse off. And that, my friends, is a damn fine shave. Got a fresh towel here. Got a sink that's gurgling a little bit, gurgling of approval. And we're gonna finish it off today with this Zingari Man Recovery Splash, unscented. Because you want to take care of your skin, especially with the straight blade, right? Or really any razor. So we'll just put some there in my hand. Hope you've enjoyed the content today. Remember to shop at the razor company for all your wet shaving needs. All right, guys, thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.